What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz and the R6 back here with another video. I have another install video for you guys today. We are getting ready to install our carbon fiber tank cover. So this right here, this is the tank shell, the tank cover. It's fairly simple to get to. Here is our new carbon fiber tank shell, tank cover. Full carbon to match the rest of the carbon on the bike already and the rest of the carbon that is still yet to come. Without further ado, let's dive right into today's video. First up, we're going to remove the seat, and there are two 5mm Allen bolts right behind these nubs. Number one. And number two. Next up, to be able to lift the tank back, to be able to tilt it back, we're going to remove these two plastic pieces, one on each side. There's a regular Phillips head screw. We're going to slide it forward and pop it out. Next up, we're going to be removing two of these top tank screws, one on each side. Lastly, we're going to remove one more Allen key bolt at the top of the tank, which will allow us to tilt it back, giving us access to two more screws, popping off our cover. Now our whole tank can lift up. With our gas tank and cover almost free, we have two more what looks like 8mm or 10mm bolts right there and right there. That's gone forever. And the final screws we have to take off, one Phillips head on each side of our shell. All right, we have our old fairing that has just popped off. Now we are gonna have to swap over a couple things from our old piece. We're going to do these two middle tabs so that the bolts will be able to screw in on our new fairing. We're going to do this spacer and washer combo as well. Like that, we've swapped over our three pieces, meaning this new carbon piece is ready for installation. We are going to go in reverse order of what we just did, starting with these two Phillips head screws. Following are going to be the two 8mm screws under our tank cover. Next is going to be our 5mm Allen at the top of the tank. For the last bolts on the tank, we have each of our 5mm top tank screws. Now, lastly, would be sliding our two fairings on and putting our seat back. But I've got a little bit more carbon for this bike waiting to be put on. So that is going to be it for the tank cover installation. The TEKarbon next to the TEKarbon looks amazing already. And like I said, I'm very excited to get the rest of the carbon on this bike as well. We're doing a full carbon rear end to finish off the bike. We're going to be removing the passenger pegs. This will be carbon. This upper and lower rear fairings will be carbon, and then we have a carbon seat delete as well. All that together will make a nice carbon fiber rear end. This is the look I've wanted since I got this bike. I actually saw an S1000RR at Cars and Coffee like maybe 6 months ago that was white and the whole tail was carbon, and I was like, all right, we're gonna figure out a way to do that. So stay tuned for the next video where we do that. As always, if you guys have any questions about today's installation, today's video, please be sure to let me know. Here's a final look at our new tank cover. Honestly, it fits very well. Carbon parts sometimes don't fit the best, but I'm very content with how this thing lines up. Little POV here. This thing looks so gorgeous, and I'm very excited to get the rest of the carbon on here as well. But anyways, that was a little Doug for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Fitz Miller and the R6 back here with another video. We will see you guys in the next one.